so nice to be off from work. I got off at like 1 something and I went to the grocery store. Well, not even grocery store. I just went to the store to pick up a gift bag. My friend is turning 30, so I wanted to get a gift bag to put her stuff in. I'm going to be giving it to her early as I will not be available for her birthday dinner. But me and her and another friend are going to be going to our own birthday dinner. So we're still going to have dinner. But I wanted to give her a gift early. Yeah, so like I said, I'm off from work. I'm home. It is raining outside. I know the dogs hear me because they've been scratching around and barking back there. So I have to go and put them outside, but it is raining. I can't wait to do my eyebrows because they look a hot mess. My hair I'm going to do tomorrow, finally, and just get myself looking up to par because I am not looking up to par right now. I have a list of things that I need to accomplish throughout the weekend before the trip. And one of those things is to clean my bathroom because I want to come back to a clean space. And since tomorrow is Friday, I'm going to be doing my hair. There's just a lot of things to do. Saturday, I got to do my nails. So I prefer to clean my bathroom now while my nails are undone and get it out the way. So I'm about to clean my bathroom and then I'm gonna do some other things. Maybe start putting some things aside that I need to pack. I finished cleaning the bathroom. I took a shower. I did all the things. But Amazon wastes so much paper because they sent some of my things and they sent them individually. Like, y'all could have put that together, but whatever. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this is a tempered glass for my display. So I think it comes with one. I think. So this is that. Let's see what this is. What is this? Oh, a screen magnet? I wasn't expecting this kind of box. This says it's a screen magnet. Okay. Okay. So I don't know, I thought it was bigger than this, but pretty much. Wait. Huh? Oh, okay. So this is a screen magnet. You put this down on the screen and then you attach the magnetic MagSafe portion to it so you can just stick your phone to it. So I can stick my phone to this, and I also have a built-in charger that I could use as well. But for sometimes like vlogging and different things like that, I do want my phone propped up, and I also want to be able to, you know, record, put my DJI. And this so this is my steering wheel cover, black with some rhinestones. And then I got this phone case, this iPhone 17 Pro Max phone case. It has a cross and it says, "Walk by faith, not by sight." So I thought that was really cute, so I picked it up. I'm gonna actually change my phone case right now. And I like the little touch of orange. I'm not an orange fan, but I think the orange on this is pretty cute. So yeah, this is today's order and others will come. Okay, so, ooh, I can't wait to get my hair done, do my nails, get my eyebrows done. I look like a new person. Okay, so this. Okay. So, I gotta throw all of this away. Yeah, look at this. It's cute. I like this. And I'll take this off once I put my phone in it. So my steering wheel cover. It's just a nice black simple case. Since my interior is all black, I got a black bling case. And it feels really nice and soft. Oh, I like this. I couldn't use the one from my other car because I had a D ring. So I had to get a whole new steering wheel cover for my car. So I'm actually going to go put the dishes away really quick, and I'm gonna go outside and put this on my car. I hope it fits, because I don't know why they put this thing to make it look oval. It's kind of stupid. We'll see, but I like this. It's really nice. So yeah, let me do that so I can put the stuff in the car and show you. Good Lord. Almost there. Oh, I broke my nail. Ow, ow, ow. Goodness. Okay, perfect. I love it. Oh, here's a tempered glass. Comes in this box. So just like you're installing it on your phone, tablet, they give you all the pieces. The cleaning wipe, the surface cleaner, which I think I'm going to clean this so I can always, because this is nice. The sticker remover, and okay, it comes with one tempered glass. So now it tells me what to do. At first I wasn't going to put a tempered glass on the screen, but then when I started seeing my fingerprints and stuff all over, I was like, yeah, I think I want to put something on my screen. And just for protection purposes. I just like to protect everything I got because nobody has money to be going out and spending on new things all the time. So all right, it's just that simple. Last thing I'm gonna do, y'all, is put this magnetic piece up. It shouldn't really be much of a task. So this is what it looks like, and all you do is put it down. Let's see. Oh, just like that. Easy installation. And then I take this piece. Where's the other? Oh. And then with this in here. So I don't need this one because my phone has the MagSafe, but I'm going to save this just in case. And then all I do is put that, loosen it up. Push it in. Yep, and tighten it. Boom. Well, I'll tighten it after. So, which way? This way. Oh, I gotta stick it. Good morning. I have this thing on my head because I did my hair last night and I didn't finish until like almost 1. And they need to stay in this until tomorrow so I can take them down. I put the pipe cleaners in to curl them. So, yeah, I got this on my head because I didn't want my hair just out and about. I can never do the pipe cleaners nice enough for me to just go out and then keep them in for a few days without people looking at them weird. I don't know. And sometimes I see people do them so nice on the internet and I'm just like, I can't get them like that, but it's okay. I'm on my way to get my nails done. This one broke.
Pass this lane. Then at the next one, turn left.
This one broke when I was putting on the steering wheel in my car the other day, and then this one, excuse me, broke as well. So I'm gonna probably have her just. I probably am just gonna have her soak it off, and then just do fresh.
Turn left.
Y'all, she's trying to make y'all all my business, but yeah. And then when I'm done with her, I'm going home so I can clean. Like I need to clean and I need to start packing so I can get it over with. I only work 2 days next week, and then after that, like especially Tuesday, I do not want to be bothered with worrying about packing anything because I gotta get up extra early to
at the next light, turn right.
To get up extra early to go down south to the airport. But yeah, just wanted to touch base with you guys so you guys know what's going on. It's Saturday, by the way, and I'm gonna talk to you guys and show you guys my nails after. So here is the before. Hopefully y'all not shaking. I'm trying to use a new setup I have here. This is my before, and then I'll show you guys the after.
Light, turn right on.
This camera for some reason just makes my skin look kind of horrible. But I forgot to come to you guys once I was done with my nails because I was on the phone yapping away. Here are my nails. I got red and I got red toes as well. Gosh, it looks like I have so much hyperpigmentation here, down here. I am in the car with my mom. She went into the nail salon, but because I guess yesterday when she was leaving, her nails got messed up, so she came back today to get it fixed. And then we're gonna go pick up some toys for the new dog so that he can have some toys to play with when we are gone on the trip, because she's coming with me. And then what else? I'm gonna go home and clean up. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done finally. I decided to just take the thing off my hair because it needs to dry. So we're looking like this. It's not too bad, but I wouldn't go many places with my hair like this. But yeah, and then after that, gonna go home and that's it. Day before my trip, I'm so excited. I checked into my flight and everything. It is 8:07 in the morning. I'm at work. I'm just sitting outside. I don't have to go inside yet. Traffic was really nice and smooth this morning coming here. But you'll see I got my hair all curled up and done and ready for the trip. They've been done since Friday, and this is how they look today. Still nice and tight and cutesy. I decided to wear like a middle part today instead of a side part. But I love when I can play around with my curls and everything. I am packed. I packed yesterday, last night, but I still need to go back in my luggage and move a few things around because, girl, my bag is heavy. My bag is heavy. I could have done a checked bag, but I just didn't want to deal with that. So I'm going to move some things around and try to like organize my carry-on so that my personal side bag isn't too heavy. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's going to be so much fun. The last vlog that I was supposed to upload from when I went to Boston, I was trying to export it this Saturday, and my external hard drive wasn't allowing me to because it's full. Excuse me. I tried to delete some things. I tried to move things around, but it just wasn't clearing up any storage. So I decided to finally just buy a new one. It should be coming in today. It said it was supposed to come tomorrow when I was gone, but thankfully it says today. So if it comes today, I can export the video and try to just get it up before I leave, and that can just, or I can schedule it to release while I'm gone, and that can just relieve some stress, because I'm like, dang, I don't want to be waiting until the middle of February to put this vlog out. So yeah, that's the delay with that. What else? Nothing else really. Today I'm gonna put gas in my car for the first time, although I don't need to. I'm just going to because I have to drive an hour to the airport, and I just like to be safe than sorry. I'm headed home. I stopped to get gas, but as I'm walking to my car when I got off from work, I get a message from, so I used Turo to book my car for, okay, is it locked off? To book my car for the trip, and I need a rental where I'm going. There's no way I'm Ubering and doing all of that. That's just not gonna happen. And so I'm walking to my car. It asks me, well, first of all, before I even walk to my car, it says basically to check into my my reservation. So basically you got to take a picture of the ID itself, and then you got to take a picture of yourself holding the ID. Did that. Cool. So it says, okay, we'll let you know when your Turo person confirms the ride or something like that. Okay, so I'm coming to my car and I get a message about, hello, something's wrong with the car, this battery or something needs to be fixed, so my car is unavailable for the trip, and I'm working with Turo right now to get you a refund. Yeah, because I'm gonna reach out to them as well, because I think that's a bit ridiculous to tell me, and it says at the top 21 hours before my trip. So now I'm not frantic or freaking out, but I'm just more so annoyed at the fact that they knew that their car was giving problems and they couldn't say something before. Like, to me, when I send a message for confirmation through the app or whatever, there's no reason why I should be finding out at that moment that you're unavailable, your car is unavailable. Like, you should have done that before. So I'm gonna raise that as an issue as well with Turo. And now I have to go home. On top of having to refix my bag and everything like that, I got to find a new car. So I'm on the hunt to find a new car. I don't really care what kind of car it is. Just find me a reliable car that is not expensive. So, y'all, the devil, he's trying to make me not enjoy my trip, but I'm not about to let that happen. It's not about to happen. I'm going to enjoy my trip, but again, it's common courtesy, makes sense. Like, don't do that to people when you're, I guess, having like a little side gig, whether that's Airbnb or Turo or whatever it is. Like, communicate these things with people in advance. So